In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Zapier in just a few simple steps. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects your favorite apps and services to automate repetitive tasks without writing any code. So let's dive in and get you started on your automation journey. First, we need to get to the Zapier website, and the quickest way is through Google. So, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Google search page. Once you're there, type the word Zapier into the search bar. Hit enter and you should see Zapier's official website appear near the top of the search results. It's usually the one with the URL zapier.com. Go ahead and click on that link to be directed to the Zapier homepage. Upon arriving, take a moment to absorb what Zapier has to offer and familiarize yourself with the main features that might be displayed on the landing page. This gives you a snapshot of how Zapier can simplify your workflow by automating tasks between different apps. Now, let's move on to signing up. Look for the Sign Up button. You might see it at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the registration page, where you have a couple of options to create your new account. For a seamless and quick sign-up process, you can use your existing Google account. If you choose this option, simply click on the Sign Up with Google button. This will save you time as it bypasses the need to enter your personal information manually. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to log into your Google account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll need to grant Zapier permission to access your Google account information. Rest assured, this is just a standard procedure to streamline your login process. If you prefer not to use Google, you can opt to sign up using your email address. This involves entering your email and creating a password for your Zapier account. Make sure it's a strong password to keep your account secure, and don't forget to hit Next or Continue to proceed. Once you've completed these steps, follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your registration. Zapier may present you with a quick setup guide or recommendations based on your initial preferences. These suggestions are designed to help you explore the platform's capabilities and set up your first Zap, which is Zapier's term for an automated workflow. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to start automating tasks and creating Zaps that can save you both time and energy. Remember, getting familiar with the platform may take some time, so don't hesitate to explore Zapier's tutorials and support if you need additional help. Happy automating!